Yes.
Topic is operation on rational numbers. Okay. See, when we do multiply a rational number and irrational number, for example, 2 multiplied by root 3. So it can't be multiplied, it can be written as only 2 root 3. Okay?
Yes.
If we do multiply with a irrational number and irrational number, so it will be multiplied but in the square root, 3, 5, the 50. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. And for example, we have to write irrational number in the simplest form. So we have to do prime factors of irrational numbers. For example, this is 8. So we have to do multiply with, we have to find the factors of 8, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. How to solve this? We take a 2 with a pair out of the square root. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2 is out of the square root and this 2 is remaining in the square root. Okay. So it will be 2 root 2. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now these are some questions. Tell me what are the rational numbers and what are the irrational numbers.
2 minus root 5.
Tell me about the first, is it rational or irrational? Tell me.
Good boy.
Tell me, Khadijah, about first one.
Ah, yes, sir.
Tell me about the first one. It is rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Yes, because we can't subtract irrational number and irrational number. Okay, so it will become irrational. Okay,
Yes.
and this one, second one.
Irrational.
Yeah, because root 23 minus 23 will be cancelled out. It is rational. Okay, and the third one?
Third one is irrational.
No, root 7 and root 7 will be cancelled out. It also rational.
Rational.
Okay,
Yes.
1 by root 2.
Irrational.
Yeah,
Irrational.
yeah. And 2 pi.
Irrational.
Yeah, because pi is irrational, so 2 pi will be also irrational. Now, see here, the first one. We have to simplify this. 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. Okay, first we
Yes.
multiply with 3 with both of the terms, 2 and root 2. Okay, I'm multiplying with
Yes.
3. So 3 into 2, or you can write it as 4 easier. We have to multiply with 3 with this bracket, so we can write it as 3 into 2 plus root 2. And this plus root 3 with this bracket, so root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Okay, sorry, root 2. Okay,
Yes.
now do multiply in this bracket, so 3 to the 6 plus 3 root 2. I'm doing multiply in this bracket with root 3, so 2 root 3, because we can't multiply with rational and irrational, and root 3 multiplied by root 2 is root 6. Okay, right. And we can't add these numbers. These all the terms are unlike terms. Okay, only like terms can be added or subtracted if we have the same root. Understood?
Yes.
See the fourth one, root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. In this, you can use the identity, which is a minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? Khadijah?
A minus b, a plus b is equals to a, a plus b, 2ab
A square minus b square. It is equal to a
plus
square
2ab.
minus b square only. Okay. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a minus b whole square will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So it is a minus b, a plus b. Okay? So it will be a square minus b square. So we can write root 5 square minus root 2 square. Okay? Root 5 square is 5. You know that? Root 5 square is 5.
Yes.
And minus root 2 square is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Understood?
Yes.
Note it down.
Okay.
And do rest of the question. Okay?
Okay.
I'm coming in 2 minutes. Do rest of the questions. You are doing?
Yes. Sir, second one answer is 6.
Yes, right.
And third one answer is 7 plus 2.
7 plus
2.
what is 7 plus?
7 plus 2 root 10.
Yes, right.
2 plus 2.
See this question. We have to rationalize the denominators of the following.
Okay.
How you rationalize? Rationalize means you have to make rational the denominator. The denominator, okay? You have to make it rational. So how can you make it rational? You have to multiply with root 7 and root 7 into both in the numerator and the denominator. You can do it, okay?
Okay.
It does not affect on the number. So root 7 1, the root 7 and root 7 into root 7 will be root 49 and 40, root 49 is 7, okay? Root 7 into root 7 is 7.
49.
Yes, root 49 is 7, okay?
Okay.
Now this second one, see 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. How can you do it? You have to do multiply with its conjugate. It means the opposite sign of this. Root 7, it is root 7 minus root 6. So you have to do multiply with opposite sign. Root 7 plus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6, both in the numerator and the denominator. Okay? So root
Okay.
7 plus root 6 upon this becomes a minus b and a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Root 7 plus root 6. A square is 7. Root 7 square is 7 and root 6 square is 6. Okay?
Okay.
Root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. Or you can write only root 7 plus root 6. You can not, you don't need to add it upon 1. This is understood?
Yes.
Note it down.
लेकिन वो पता नहीं कैसे मेरे पास दोनों भाई है तो मेरे दो भाई है एक बड़ा है एक छोटा मुझे और मैंने तो और मैं सेकंड नहीं मैं सेकंड सेकंड लेकिन मेरा भाई चला लाइट तो लोग वैसे ही होते हैं हाँ तो मैं बोली मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ तो एकदम बंदर को लग रही हो ऐसा हो रहा था तो अब भैया आप सुनते हैं मैंने सब सुनते हैं पहले दिखा तो एक चीज बता कौन है पिक्चर में Sir, third one answer is root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 square minus root 5 minus root 2 by 3
What is the answer? Root 5?
minus root 2 by 3.
Yes, right.
Uh, I cannot able to do this fourth one.
Why? You have to do the same procedure.
वो लाइट आते मैं स्टेज में देखा घर स्टेज
And upon root
देखते
7,
मैं
you have to do multiply with the opposite sign, which is root 7 plus 2. And root 7 plus 2, both in the numerator and the denominator. So it will become root 7 plus 2 upon root, it is a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square. Root 7 plus 2 upon a square. Root 7 square is 7 and 2 square is 4. So root 7 plus 2 upon 3. Understood?
yeah.
Yes.
आपके बर्थडे के दिन असल में पापा प्लान करते हैं आपके बर्थडे के दिन कॉल किया हाँ मम्मी देखता है कब हो जाते ये बर्थडे के दिन मम्मी बेटा ये फोटो कैसे है हाँ भैया बहन को अफसोस होगा Sir, next question.
You have done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Read this question.
We call pi is defined as the ratio of circumference, say c, of a circle to its diameter, say d, that is pi equals c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Pi is defined as the ratio.
Pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. You know that? Okay. Because what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. You know this formula? And 2 and r, we can write it as 2r into pi. And 2r, what is 2r? The radius, the double of the radius, and double of the radius is the diameter. Okay?
Yes.
The double of the radius is the diameter of a circle. And pi will be equal to, you know, that c by d here when you put in the denominator. Okay? This seems to be contradiction
Yes.
that fact pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Because pi is irrational. Okay, pi is irrational, but it seems that pi is rational. So how will you solve this contradiction? There is no contradiction. Remember that when you measure a length with a scale or any other device, you only get an approximate rational value. Okay, so may you not realize that either C or D is irrational. Okay, इनमें से कोई सा एक irrational होगा, C और D, तो ये कोई contradiction नहीं है. Okay,
Okay.
yes, you note this answer. This is the answer.
बच्चों
You're done.
Okay, one second.
बच्चों आपके बर्थडे पे थी तो पापा गिफ्ट करे और आज रात के
Question number 4 is rule 9.3 on number line. Can you do it? Tell me.
With compass.
Yeah.
Wait, sir, let me bring my compass.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it.
Okay. So can you show me this one, then I will do other.
Yeah.
You just show me this one, I will do other.
What are you saying? I'm not.
Okay, problem. You show me how to do this.
You can't do it.
No.
Okay, one second. See here. First, you have to make a number line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. 13, 14.
Yes.
Now take O, A to C as 9.3. Take AC as 9.3. Okay.
Okay.
Mark the line AC as 9.3.
Yes.
No, not AC. It's AB, not AC. AB is 9.3. Okay.
Okay.
Now take 1 unit from B to C. BC is 1 unit. Okay. This is 1 unit, B to C. Understood?
Yes.
Now you have to take the half of the AC and make a point here. You have to make half of the AC, A to C. A और C का हाफ लेना है यहाँ पर बीच में. ओके, जो O है,
Okay.
A और C का हाफ. और उसके बाद क्या करना है? O से सेमी सर्कल बनाना है. O to A, taking OA as the radius and make a semicircle. Okay,
Yeah.
taking OA as the radius and making a semicircle. Now क्या? Then we have to make a perpendicular from B point. Okay, which cut this semicircle on point D. Okay,
Yes.
now taking DD as the radius and make a arc which cuts this line to E. Okay, now B to E, BE is the root 9.3. This is the square root of 9.3. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. You have done?
Yes.
Okay, now the next topic is laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. What are the exponents? For if we have right 2 raised to the power 5, so 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Okay, the
Yes.
exponent and this is the base. Okay, what are the laws of exponents? If, for example, a to the power n into a to the power n, if we have the same base in the multiplication and the base are same, so the powers will got added on the same base, a to the power m plus n.
Laws of experiment. I know the formulas.
Yeah,
I know the formulas of this.
yeah. In the division, the powers will got subtracted on the same base. Understood?
Yeah.
If we have power on the power, a to the power b to the power c, so it will got multiplied a to the power bc. Power will got multiplied. Okay.
Yes.
If we have same power but different bases, for example, a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m, then base will be get multiplied on the same power. Okay, same in division, a to the power m upon b to the power m. So we can write it as a upon b to the power n on the same power. And if you have power as 0 of any number, the value will be 1. Note it down. Note it down.
Yes. बना दूसरा पेन लेकर आइए ना। दूसरा पेन लेकर आइए। जब से मेरा ये पेन वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा। इंतजार करना है। डन।
Okay, do these questions. Can you do it? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, do it. You're done?
I'm doing third one. Sir, first one answer is 8.
Okay.
Second one answer is 2 and third one answer is 5.
Yeah. You know that how to done this? This can
Yes, with HCF and with the power.
so you have to write 64 at a to the power 2. Okay.
Yes.
Then power will got multiplied. And this when 2 and 2 will cancel. This will be it. Okay.
I have done this before, it's easy.
Yeah.
I have done this before, it's easy.
Okay. 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 Do only first one. Do only first one.
Okay.
Tell me the answer.
Answer is 13 by 15 power.
2 raised to the power 13 by 15. Yes.